Inspired by a video I recently saw, I went for an F-15 style aircraft. I attempted to copy the key features of it, such as the large wing shape, and threw in a few of my own twists. A V-tail to lessen the number of servos I use, and bottom fins to protect the motor from the ground. Here I gave it a few good chucks to check the CG and to figure out where it needs to be before the maiden flight. The wiring was pretty straightforward, but I could have made the fuselage a little bigger to make it easier. Despite feeling fairly confident in this design, yeah, it was very nose heavy. I changed up my approach and tried to follow the X-59. Forward sweep wings have many advantages, and I was hoping to utilize it. The inherent instability and efficiency to hopefully give it the ability to do these tricks. As usual, a bottom fin was added to protect the engines and to prevent screws from tearing out and getting lost. In contrast to the second one, I based it more off of the X-59. After 2 solid nosedives and a ton of tape later, I realized my engine was done for. No amount of tape was going to save that. Yeah, we lost screws again. To cope, we ended up playing with it like a kite for a solid 2 minutes. In the end, we decided this was the best fate it was going to have. And subsequently blue screen while wiring the next plane.
Remember?